Hi, welcome to Braids by CJ Beauty. Today I'll be showing you how I made this wonderful style. So if today is your first time watching with us, we just say welcome to you. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Leave a comment on the video. Okay, don't really know the name of this hairstyle, but yeah, it's lovely hairstyle. It's a very lovely protective hairstyle for school. All right. So just start by braiding all back, three all back. You can do four all backs, five all backs by the sides. So I decided to do three all backs by the sides. Now I am done with this side. We repeat the same thing at the other side of the hair. So this is how you like when you're done with your all backs. Now we divide the hair into two sections from the middle. So we'll be doing a clapping style like patewo style here. So for that you have to divide it from the middle. Let the hairs be same equal size so that it wouldn't look awkward when you're done. So make sure it's equal and divide by the middle. Okay, so we don't have it at the back here, so but I will try to pick it like that. I'll try to make the video to be as short as possible as I'm having issues with my space, so sometimes to upload these long videos is giving me issues. I have to at least make the video a little bit short today. Okay, but I know you are getting what I'm doing. It's actually a very simple hairstyle, it's not complicated. There's nothing complicated in the hairstyle. Can actually be a back to school hairstyle after this midterm break. For those whose kids does not have a recommended hairstyle for every week, this is a perfect option for you as the hair is comfortable, easy, and quick. I decided to finish one line first before I start with the other line. So we can be building both of the lines and both of the sides the line at the same time. And there's no issue with that. But I decided to do it like this. I think this way was faster for me. So we're done with this side. We'll repeat the same thing here. So follow the lines of follow the same line with that other one. Make sure it's aligned together. Well, what do you think? Here is getting shape and it looks really beautiful. And here is our final look, guys. What do you think? Leave your comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms Instagram, TikTok, Facebook.